Okay, thank you for Matt for request of an explanation on how we differentiated in the test your understanding question from today, y equaling 4 cos squared t. And in fairness, it is something I glossed over quite quickly, so I'm glad I got asked about it. There's probably a few people who are a bit stumped by that. Okay, well, what we're actually going to use here is a version of the chain rule. We know that we can differentiate cosine, and we also know we can differentiate something squared, like x squared. So if we break this into two parts, if I said let u equaling cos t, then that means that I could figure out what dy by dt is by saying that's the same as dy by du times by du by dt. So we could think of these as cancelling out. So what can we say? Well, dy by du, let's think about what y is in terms of u first. So y is equal to 4u squared, given I've said that u is cos t. So my dy by du would be 8u. And what about, well, u is equal to cos t. So my du by dt would be equal to negative sine t. So my dy by dt, putting this all together, must be my dy by du, which is 8u, times by my du by dt, which is negative sine t. And then it's just a case of substituting in what I know u to be, which is cos t. So I bring the negative to the front as well, negative 8 cos t sine t. I hope that clears that up. Thanks for the question.